No, I had no fear. The reason I had no fear is because, if the 1 million was gone, I still had experience, qualifications, I still had my business. There were many ways that I could recover. Even today, I am not at all worried about, let's say for example, something happens where I lose everything. Of course, that would be, maybe for 2 days I'll be sad if everything is gone. But people have been through adversity, they've been through much worse adversity than what, there's a saying, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. So, you are only talking about the first one. So, wealth is lost, nothing is lost, no problem.